I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my beauty blender, or your beauty sponge. This is what it's looking like. I have not cleaned this in probably 6 months. So it's needing good cleaning. All you're going to need is your sponge, a bowl, and either olive oil, canola oil, avocado oil, whatever. So I'm just going to pour some of this in my bowl and just start working it into my sponge. And the oil is just going to kind of pull out all of that gunk. And I'm just going to kind of start working it into the oil here and pulling out all of the foundation. My sponge gets really gross really quickly because I use my sponge also with powder, so there's definitely a lot of stuff. I mean, you can see all the foundation stuff that's coming out of it. I have my sink right here. I'm just going to give it a rinse. So now my sponge is rinsed and it's like as big as it's going to get because now it's full of water. I'm just going to bring it back into this oil and start to work it. So our sponge has been sitting in the olive oil for probably about 20 minutes. And as you can see, it just kind of rised all that makeup to the surface. So I'm just going to squeeze out as much as I can here and put it under the sink and rinse it out. So I just gave it my last rinse. I'm going to squeeze out whatever water is left, and I'm just going to set this out on a towel right here and let it dry, and that's basically how I wash my beauty blender.